many of them. Oh my god.
How? King Kong? Ding dong?
This is crazy.
I'm not going. Ow! I'm trying to make a YouTube video.
I don't know why that symbol's right there.
Buddy, I'm trying to get grip. On my hip? What do you mean on your hip?
Scab.
Stop! What am I? That's Carter. Carter! Yeah?
I imagine there wasn't as many.
Guys, let's go to the other one. Yeah. Other one, guys. Guys,
I know that apple could actually see lighter than me.
You guys spend
Like,
the night
look,
in
I can
haunted
see
train
that.
for-
I would spend the night
Lighter
in
than me. Look.
I think the only danger would be
The only danger is all these freaking
this
holes.
used to be a prison.
Spend the night here.
Actually? Yeah.
How do you think?
It was not a prison, guys. Don't believe him.
Yeah, I'm not gonna break my arm.
Oh my god. Imagine going in this one.
Guys, who wants to go in?
But wait, there's more.
Mom, can we go in?
Yeah, there's actually more, guys.
Oh.
So crazy, huh?
How do I get it? Wow, really?
This is crazy.
Buddy, look at this. This is quite
What do you think of it?
Pretty cool.
So yeah. Rain wreck section number 1. I don't want to go down there.
Oh, you use it?
Do you want to go inside?
I'll just flip the camera. Alright. There's also one with a crack that's literally hanging right over the freaking edge of a river. Like, it's crazy here. You wanna come and look at more trains, Mom? You wanna come and look at more trains?
There's more down here.
You're recording nothing, babe.
We're on the train.
Oh my god, I'm
More trains. Let's go see more trains.
Yeah, I agree. Hey,
More trains. More trains.
more trains. Let's.
I'm going back.
And we're here. Yes.
Hudson and Houston, I want a family photo with you in front of this train. No. Wait. No way.
Anyway. Yeah, I'll turn the camera. Alright.
Sigma Spatial Dive.
No, bro. Yeah, you can go on this one. Not that I would want to go on it. Unless it dented upward. And how did a dog get in here? Bro, jump boost 5. Jump boost 5 with that dog, bro. That dog is a hiker. Yeah. I can't really see much in here. But you guys can? Yeah, I don't know how. It's better. Anyway. Dog. Let's go.
You're not going that up.
Nah, you're not sliding down.
Emmy.
Emmy, don't go up. It's really scary.
Yeah.
I wouldn't recommend it. It's
Let's go. Emmy, you can go inside.
I'm not going up there because I don't want to get my hands pissy.
No, not Emmy. That's freaking Emmy. I was like,
Emmy, watch the holes in there, babe.
I'm going down. I'm going in.
So this is train wreck section number 2. Good. Good. There we have it. Station 3 right there.
Let's go in.
Alright. Let's check this out.
Wait, we could probably get up. I know, but where's the opening?
Probably this side.
dass man da hingeht und da fotografieren kann.
Guys, opening's over here. Guys,
Oh dang, this
this
one.
one's cool. Guys,
This one has no ground. My finger is so itchy.
come inside. It's parkour. It's literally only parkour. Oh, this is so sketch. Yeah, but parkour. I found the opening. It's parkour.
Crazy.
Wait, we're playing Minecraft parkour. What? Minecraft. You guys, just go on top. No, we can't. Because we're going. Guys, we're going. There's another train. There's another train, guys. Come on.
There's another.
This one's boring. No, I want to climb up.
Alright, next one. There's another one. Right over there.
Yeah, I have a good idea. Ask Mama. Say, Mama, are you tearing down a house anytime soon? Can I graffiti it?
And there's another one. And one right here. And this is the one that you really have to see. Oh no, it's that one that you have to see. Alright. Skipping all of these. I'm going. Wait. Hold on a sec. There's the one. Oh my god, my finger's going to fall off.
How did it go off the train? Off the track.
Okay. Let's go. There's another one right there. Oh, we already seen that one. Oh, this is crazy. Mhm. I wonder why I'm so quiet. It's because my finger. I'm focusing on that because it's so itchy. These dang mosquitoes, bro.
No! Guys, there's another broken train! There's a river! Guys! Guys, there's another broken train! We already saw that.
They're everywhere.
But the trains are only around here. Past that bridge, it's just a walk to here.
Come on!
But anyway, the walk is just so nice. I don't have to just. It's just a good attraction. Really, look at that.
Oh, it's right over there. I meant up, not
That is
I don't want to go now.
Imagine floating in there. That'd be crazy. Right, now we'll head to the bridge. That's all the trains, I'm pretty sure. Okay.
It is cool. Over a river? I think that's cool.
Hold on, where you going?
Train wreck park to clean up. Alright.
Okay, that
No, let's go outside. Let's get to that last bridge we went over.
Oh, yeah, this is a bridge. Yeah, there's a bridge. There's a bridge.
There's the bridge.
Mom, there's a bridge. And they didn't know how to say it's a big deal. It's a big.
off. Oh my god. That was so scary.
You tried to push
Push you off.
Yeah, tried to push you off.
How much longer?
Oh. Holy. This is the first one here. Part one.
Yeah, so what was that more difficult, right?
More than twice.
But I dropped my
Okay. Oh man. Alright, I'll come down the easier way. See you down. Alright, we're here.
Okay, what way are the boys coming back this way?
No, we're gonna go this way.
All of them?
Do we know where we're meeting? Somebody? Because I don't.
In the parking lot.
I guess
The first. Oh, come here.
I think that's where. No, it's kind of in the middle of the two of them. Okay, let's go to the second. Yeah, go to the second.
Alright, we finally made it back. Alright, now we're back. Oh wait, they're not back. Oh. Well, anyway, remember to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching me suffer of dehydration.